get up. Do whatever they want to bend it down to a little bit, put it somewhere else.
Oh no!
That's why.
Not
Little kids love it.
no, I don't love this. You're putting me through torture. I'm not
So
one of
what
you.
you can do is you can be like, this is so disgusting. Wipe it on the floor.
Okay.
You're disgusted. Obviously, you're like repulsed by it.
Okay. And then the
Okay.
next person.
The next person will come up. They can step on it. They can be like, ooh, yum, and like pick it up off the grass and like disgusting grass. Do whatever. Okay. It's up to you, but remember where the person that put it before you put it. Okay.
Okay.
So if I put it underneath the chair, the next person that comes in after I walk off is going to go underneath the chair. They can't be on the floor when I put it underneath the chair.
Okay.
So that's going to be the first skit. There's another skit where it's the sound of rain. Okay, so I'm going to say, alright, so we're going to be performing for you the sound of rain. Everybody sit down. And we're rain falling from the sky. Ah!
Oh.
Yeah. So rain falling. Ah! Until you hit the ground.
I love that
and then
one.
you just bloop.
So like everyone is every.
Anyway, if you want to be in a circle, all you're gonna do is you're gonna be.
I love that one. I prefer that one. Is it only just gonna be us doing it?
It's not, well, we're gonna do it so that it's not because they're kind of.
Oh. Yeah. They're potatoes.
So we're doing it so they can kind of understand it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait,
Get it?
supposed to Coach, you come here. Where's this supposed to Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Well, I'm
The concept of what we're doing, we're trying to make it fun for them. But it's gonna be fun for us too. Obviously, we're gonna be looking stupid, but it's funny. So, what I was saying is we're gonna be doing skits. The first skit we're gonna do is called the stick of gum, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So the point of the game is, or the point of the skit is,
Where's Christy?
the first person, right here.
Oh, okay.
The first person is gonna come up and you're gonna get stick of gum, they're gonna bring your mouth to it, and then put it, save it for later. They're gonna walk off, and then another person they're gonna find it. Some spot, they're gonna do whatever they want.
Story, okay?
Chew it, put it back down.
Can't find a story. Raise hand. Who knows what can't find a story is? China, you know can't find a story? Okay, she does. She does in her own way.
So everybody's gonna walk.
Are you there too? Oh,
The first person.
I'm flying.
Wait, what's it right here? The fire is going down.
Say hi, lady.
Hi.
Hello.
So let's say I put underneath the
What are you guys doing?
Thank you for mommy. What you're doing?
Wait, if we need to go pee, we can go pee.
Who knows what is a skit? Oh, you cannot put your hand? Who knows what a skit